This is the 9th generation iPad from Apple. For most folks, this is the iPad to buy because it delivers everything a casual user would want in his tablet. It comes with a 10.2-inch Retina display rocking at 2160 by 1620 resolution. For watching videos, looking at pictures, surfing internet and scrolling your social media feeds, this is a great display. It supports the first generation Apple Pencil and you can use it to doodle, to take notes and to make digital art. This iPad is powered by an A13 Bionic chip with neural engine. This is the fastest chip that you can find in any tablet or laptop in this price range. Now on various benchmarks, the 9th generation iPad matches the performance of an iPhone 11. Now iPhone 11 is few years old, but you are still going to get very good performance. So you will have no trouble multitasking, gaming, watching streaming videos, and even doing complex tasks like video editing and photo editing. Regarding storage, the cheapest iPad configuration comes in 64 gigabytes. Note that iPad OS takes about 8 gigabytes of space, so you are left with only 50 gigabytes of usable space. Now this may suffice if you use your iPad as a media consumption device, but if you intend to take lots of pictures and videos, install large games and apps, consider upgrading to the 256 gigabyte model. Regarding internet connectivity, you have a choice of going with just the Wi-Fi model or upgrading to a 5G cellular model. Okay, now let's talk about the camera on this iPad, which Apple has upgraded from the previous generation. Now you are getting a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and this camera supports center stage, which allows you to remain at the center of the frame even if you are moving around during a video call. I think this is a killer feature, and this feature alone makes iPad a very good, I would say a perfect device for video calls. Now regarding the design and aesthetics of this iPad, you are still stuck with the old iPad look and feel. There are chunky bezels on the top and bottom, and you still have that outdated home button which looks so out of place in 2022. Also, there is no USB Type-C port in this iPad, so you will have to deal with the Lightning port, and so that means lots of Lightning port cables and dongles. Regarding multimedia playback, this iPad delivers a reasonably loud stereo sound and you get about 10 hours of battery life. It also supports the smart keyboard and some other third-party Bluetooth keyboards and mice. But support for the excellent Magic Keyboard is not there, and you also don't get any support for the second generation Apple Pencil, which means you cannot magnetically attach the Apple Pencil to this iPad and charge it wirelessly. You will have to use the Lightning port. So overall, for the price, the 9th generation iPad is a really good deal. Honestly, there is no other tablet in the market that packs so much power and feature at such an affordable price. I think for most folks, the 9th generation iPad is the one to buy during this holiday shopping season.